Hi everybody, Russ here from defendmybusiness.com, powered by Disruption.io. Wanted to do a quick update on the London drugs incident I did a video on. It's been about a week. It looks like, per this article, that London drug stores will be opening up, all of them, by the end of the day today. It's been more than a week that almost 80 stores have been closed. So think lost sales. I'm going to guess probably 50,000 a day on average per store. Your wages, time, effort, leases, all those costs that you still have to pay but aren't earning anything because you had a cyber incident. So it sounds like we don't know exactly what happened, but I'm going to assume CryptoLock, ransomware, locked them out of their systems, and they're restoring, backing up, and then checking against databases and customer information to make sure there was no theft. But anyways, if you were a small business, could you afford something like this? A week of downtime, no sales, all the costs plus investigation. And if you weren't protected appropriately, insurance maybe not covering anything. So give us a call at defendmybusiness.com. Go to the website, contact us, and we'll work with our vendors to find the right solutions for you to make sure you are protected and something like this doesn't happen to your business.